Hi guys, and welcome to DIY Ideas, and welcome to a really cute scarf tutorial. I'm going to show you this cozy scarf here in this nice dark red, almost like wine burgundy color. I used my size 6 actually crocheting hook for this, and I showed you this wool actually in my last haul video. Maybe you recognize it, if not, I will obviously show you what it is. Have fun! Alright guys, so here we have the wool. This is called my Boshi alpaca in the color like fuchsia it's called here. This is 90 meters long and 50 grams. The contents 50% polyacrylic, 25% virgin wool and 15% polyamide and 10% alpaca. This was meant for 6 to 8 crocheting hooks, 6 to 8 crocheting hooks. Very small here, the writing. And the color here is the W666. I'm going to take off the label here and then start with some chain stitches. I'm going to crochet this with my size 6 crocheting hook. So, slightly, just on the lower end of what is recommended. And I'm going to start here with 19 chain stitches. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to skip the first 3 stitches here. Then I go into the 4th one. And I'll do a double crochet, and then right into the same stitch another one. Then I'm going to add 2 chain stitches, and into the next stitch I'll add 2 more double crochets. I'm going to take some more wool here. And another 2 double crochets, just like I said. So what I did here, I skipped the first 3, then into the next 2 chain stitches, I added 2 double crochets each, and then a chain stitch in the middle. And then I'm gonna skip another 2 chain stitches, and then again 2 double crochets. Then 2 chain stitches, and then into the next one, again 2 double crochets. And then I'm going to skip 2 again. And we'll add here 2 double crochets, 2 chain stitches, and then into the next stitch another 2 double crochets. So we always have the same like structure. It's always 2, 2, and 2. And here you can see what it looks like now. Again, skip 2. And obviously forgot to wrap this around here. 2 chain stitches. Get some more wool here. And the next 2 double crochets. Alright, so I have completed now this section here basically. So I did this 4 times, and here we have 2 chain stitches left over, and that's exactly right. I'm going to finish this off with a double crochet into the last stitch, just a single, like a regular double crochet. Then we will add 3 chain stitches here for height, and then we're going to turn this all around. And then I'm kind of always going around the chain stitches of the row before that are in between the 2, or the 4 actually, double crochets. That's where we're going to go in. And this is, yeah, makes it really, really easy here, honestly, because we can always just go around the chain stitches of the row before, and it's really easy to find those and know where to go. Kind of slipped out here, but other than that, the wool is really, really nice to crochet with, and I like it a lot. Here we have this structure already kind of like laying on top of each other. And then this is where we continue. Double crochet, 2 chain stitches, and another 2 double crochets. And then here to finish off this row, we will add the double crochet here at the very end. Just 1 that goes here around the chain stitches of the row before. That's the very initial chain stitches here, the 3 chain stitches we skipped at the very beginning. And then the first 2 rows are done. You can see here it's already getting pretty big. Again here 3 chain stitches, and then we turn it all around and start with row number 3. So always 2 double crochets, 2 chain stitches, and another 2 double crochets. And this we just keep repeating over the width of the scarf. So I'm going to do this for a little bit longer and I'll give you an update. Alright guys, so here's my update for you. So we have 6 rows here already in this pattern. And it's just developing really, really nicely and really fast, just because we have like all these holes also. But obviously the scarf you kind of scrunch up like this to wear it around your neck. It's a nice width here, and I'm going to continue a little more and I'll give you an update a little later. Alright guys, so I actually have used 2 balls of yarn here for this scarf, and it has a great length. It's about 1.50 meters long, just super cozy, really nice and soft, and yeah, just has a really nice width here also. I tried to make another row here at the very end, but honestly it was not enough, unfortunately, so I'm just gonna unravel it here. And so this double crochet here is the last little bit of this scarf. Oh no, actually there's another chain stitch, so I'm going to take that out too, and then I'm just going to pull out the last bit of the thread here. I'm going to then obviously shorten it and hide the thread, and then our nice big scarf is actually ready. And obviously, yeah, the beginning thread also we have to hide. But then, yeah, the scarf is done. It's super cozy, great pattern. You can see here, yeah, how fast this also gets kind of more compact if you scrunch it together. And I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, then please go ahead and like this video and maybe subscribe to my channel. And then I'll see you next time here at DIY Ideas. Bye!